Hi and welcome from Dhaka in Bangladesh. Today we have another program. Where are we going?
We are going to see the clothes factory. This is not the international clothing factory, but this is like a big factory like for the whole Bangladesh. Like what kind of clothes they are made. So when we arrive there, we'll show you everything. Stay with us.
Okay. Yeah, stay with us. We're by the way here on a rickshaw, but it's an electric rickshaw. But I said before, I'm not here to judge anybody because I'm coming here as a tourist. I don't know like the life situation of the people. Yeah, I'm really not in a position to judge.
The clothes produced in upstairs,
Yeah.
they are selling in downstairs.
Okay. Yeah, like this time I really didn't know research. So you just asked me about the King's Palace.
Yep.
I have no idea. I just went here because I've never been to Bangladesh and I was just in the region.
Yeah.
That's why I'm coming here. But it seems that we arrived, right? Okay, by the way, the price of like, I don't know, 15 minutes with the rickshaw was 30 cents. Of course, we gave some tip, but still very, very cheap here. Yeah.
Like this is like the products produced at this factory.
Okay.
It's similar like Zara, but not Zara.
Yeah.
Zara is international brand. We have chance to see the international factory, but we have need special permission from the embassy.
Of course.
Special permission from the owners.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
that's why we don't have chance to see that one.
Okay, that's why we just see the local one.
Yeah. That's why in
Assalamu alaikum.
local is always good because in local factory many children is working, many women is working.
Okay. Yeah, so probably going to see some child labor here, but like I said, I'm not here to judge. I have no idea about the life situation here. And yeah, I just want to show you how the people are living.
We have arrived. For example, he also a worker of this.
You're also, Assalamu alaikum.
So this inside, like have a like a 4 road. In 4 road, have a 200 factories. In five floor have like 1,000 factories. So one
Okay.
room is one factory.
Each room is a factory. A tiny factory.
Getting out your shoes, please.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
This is a factory that produce the t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Shirt,
Okay.
shirt.
And how much is the shirt after?
It's like less than $5 from
Less than $5. Okay.
And
Assalamu
this is like a
alaikum.
sherwani Punjabi.
Punjabi.
This is for like a, this is gorgeous. This is for married, something like that.
Okay, very beautiful cloth. Assalamu alaikum.
And you can see.
Wow, crazy. Look, a lot. Here's the stuff on the roof. And it's very, very hot here.
Yep.
Even though the sun is not shining, but high humidity and yeah, more than 30 degrees. Here we have already
You know,
some
we
shade.
have faced last year. The temperature was 46 degrees Celsius.
Crazy. My t-shirt is completely wet.
And for example, the man is working here, right? The
Yeah.
girls is working upstairs.
Yeah.
Like when the girls is leaving from the factory and the boys, they are eating some food from the local restaurant and they also sleep at upstairs.
Okay.
So they are from most of the people from countryside.
Yeah.
They coming in Dhaka for working.
Okay. So they sleep also here and live here,
And
right?
see, one bad thing is key. They are working, but it's key
Why?
because maybe the owners give them punish.
So they're locked in. Oh my God, that's horrible.
Maybe government is not trustful. I mean, the owner is not trustful.
Yes, but it's allowed to lock the people inside.
It's not allowed because anytime can accident. You know, anytime can firing in here.
Here
See,
again.
another one also is
You see, it's locked.
locked.
Crazy. And it's true. The dangerous thing is like when there is a fire. Yeah, I can't imagine what happens. They can't go out. Yeah, sorry, but that's horrible.
that one.
Yeah.
So that also clothes factory. When our way back to other side, we will see that one.
Okay. Thank you. So we also go with the ship.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, crazy.
Because bridge is too far.
Yeah. Too far away. Let's search to find it.
After the interview, maybe in the factory, like one boy and everyone is ladies.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
And this is like a big fabrics for cutting.
Yeah. Hello. What's your name?
তোমার নাম কি? Ibrahim. His name
Ibrahim. Nice to meet you. I'm Baga. How old are you,
তোমার
Ibrahim?
বয়স কত? I think this is not the correct age. He said
Okay.
that 17, but maybe he is 15.
Okay. And how long you're working here?
তুমি কত বছর ধরে এখানে কাজ করো? He recently joining for this work, 3 months running.
3 months. Ah, okay. And he is from Dhaka. You're from Dhaka.
তোমার জন্মস্থান কি ঢাকা না গ্রামের বাড়ি? কোন জায়গায় গ্রাম? শরীয়তপুর. He is from around Dhaka. So the village is 100 kilometers far from here.
Okay.
3 months ago, he coming here for earn money for helping family.
Okay. So you came alone here or with your family?
একা আসছো নাকি তোমার পরিবারের সাথে আসছো? He came here alone, but his brother is coming before. And
Okay.
he offering him to come here for work.
Okay. And how long you work per day or per week?
ভাইয়া তুমি কি প্রতি সপ্তাহে কাজ করো না প্রতিদিনের মাসের বেতনে কাজ করো? He said that I'm new here, so I'm learning the job.
Okay. But I mean, how many hours?
তুমি কত ঘন্টা কাজ করো একদিনে? 10 hours like
10 hours. Okay. And how many days a week?
6 days a week.
6 days a
Tomorrow
week.
is a holiday already.
Okay. What do you do on holidays when you have free days?
যখন কালকে তো বন্ধ, কালকে কি করবা?
If I can ask. People are
He said that
laughing.
tomorrow is my country's holiday.
Yeah.
So we are Muslim people. At first we go for pray. After
Okay.
the pray, have some food. Go for explore around the sea.
Okay. Hey, thank you so much for your question. Hello, nice to meet you. What's your name?
তোমার নাম কি ভাইয়া? লিমন. His name is Limon.
Limon, nice to meet you. I'm Baga.
ওর নাম হচ্ছে বাগা.
Can I ask how old are you?
তোমার বয়স কত ভাইয়া? 13 years old.
13 years old.
Yes.
Okay. And
He asking you how are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. You too?
তুমি ভালো আছো? He's also good.
And Limon, how long you're working here?
তোমার কাজের বয়স কতদিন? তুমি কতদিন যাবত কাজ করতেছো এখানে? Since 2023 he's coming here for work.
Okay, so since 2 years.
Yeah.
So you started when you were 11. Okay. And how many hours you're working
তুমি
here?
একদিনে কত ঘন্টা কাজ করো? একদিনে কত ঘন্টা? He said that 12 to 13 hours a day.
A day. And how many days? 6 days.
6 day এক সপ্তাহে 6 দিন তো কাজ করে, একদিন তো শুক্রবার বন্ধ থাকে। Yeah, 6 day a week and 1 day is holiday.
And what do you do on your free day?
তুমি শুক্রবার দিন কি করো? যখন তোমার কিছু কাজ থাকে না তখন ঘুরতে যাও না, ক্রিকেট খেলো না, কি করো? He said that I have some food, praying and playing cricket. You know cricket?
Yes, of course.
Playing cricket and
nice.
Working at explore around. How much?
And how many clothes do you do per day?
তুমি একদিনে কতটা জামা কাপড় বানাইতে পারো? কত পিস? Every day 30 to 35 pieces.
Whoa, that's a lot. And can I maybe also ask what's your salary?
Yes, you can ask me. তোমার এক মাসে কত টাকা ইনকাম হয়? This is a production work. He said that I every day produce 30 to 35 pieces. End of the month I earn like 20,000, 22,000. It's in US dollars 190 something.
Okay. Hey, thank you so much for the interview and for the good.
Nice.
Okay, I don't want to disturb you. Have a good time. Bye. didn't want to ask him if he went to school, and actually I also felt a bit bad asking all these questions. But yeah, obviously he didn't went to school for a long time. He started here working with 11, working here 12, 13 hours, 6 days, and yeah, that's crazy. But that's for the local clothes here. Do you think that for international clothes the conditions are better?
International factory always very clean, and worker also very experienced worker. In their minimum age is like 16 years.
Okay, 16 years. And obviously they don't lock.
Yep.
I think that was it from this factory. We're also going to show another one. Yeah, what can I say? This time I said I don't want to judge, but man, this time I'm a bit shocked, especially because of these motherfucker owners who lock their employees here inside. It's really, really dangerous. What the fuck is this? They work like slaves. They can't go out. When there's a fire, they're gonna burn their inside. Yeah, it's just horrible. So now we're gonna eat something, and then we're gonna see another clothes factory. I have to cross the boat again. Okay, so we also enter a market quickly. Very nice. Assalamu alaikum, hello. Beautiful. Yeah, you see people are very so nice here, so kind. Many people are wearing this orange beard. And I just heard that it's to honor the Prophet. Well, a lot of bananas. Dragon fruits, right? So here very crowded. A lot of bananas. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And here's again a clothes market. Beautiful colors on each side.
Yeah. International company also, they came here to buy the big fabric.
Ah, okay.
Making the clothes at the factory.
Okay.
Like for example, Chinese people, they really like this place for buy.
Yeah. Thank you so much. There's the curry.
Yep. This is called gravy.
Ah, nice. By the way, we just had food here, a very nice restaurant. I can really recommend it. Actually, the plan was to go to a different clothes factory, but because it will be the similar or the same, we decided to skip that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. To be honest, for me it was a bit shocking. Not only the fact like that there were children working, I saw that also in different countries. And yeah, I mean the situation is just like that in the family, in some families, that they need to do that to bring food on the table. But what's really shocking for me was just the fact that the bosses are locking their employees there inside, and yeah, that's really close to slavery. I hope you still enjoyed it. See you soon and goodbye.